Hey guys, I would like to talk to you about a trade today that's also on gold again and it's on US futures. So let me just go to the trade now. Okay, so on the daily time frame, we have had a rally here and it has actually touched the resistance, which has led the price to create a swing towards downside for me. I think it's going to continue towards downside and I don't know how far down it will go. So that's enough for me on the daily momentum to establish the context, and the RE is in a range. This range is actually uh, coming after the swing down, so I also have a test of the price swing high, which is enough for me on the RE to actually tell me that the short term is towards downside. And now on the TTF, I am in an unusual position here. That's because the swing is not complete for me. That's something that I don't take. But as I was watching the price set itself up for my trade, it went into my level, paced my level, and closed below the level, and I actually took the trade, which reversed. I mean, which suddenly dropped and did not complete my technical swing. I don't normally take such trades because the order flow necessary towards my trade will not be there if the technical swing is not complete. So that's why I don't take such trades. I don't find myself in the middle of swings. Okay, so yeah. Now I would like to talk about targets. Okay, HTF. If we go to HTF, we have a range that's formed after the down move. I think this range will be broken, and prior swing low will be touched, which is in the far left. Okay, so that's going to be my target. uh, yeah, so let me just wait for a while and come back if there's any progress on the trade. All right. Okay, so I've had a swing towards the upside. There's a small pullback. Let's say that I was not in a trade already, then this is something that I would have looked for, and this is the level that I would have taken the trade. That's because it meets all my requirements for a trade, and this is also giving such a great risk with a great reward there. Okay, and of course, the HTF is going to continue to stay the same. The context will continue to stay the same for me. Okay, so there's nothing that's changed there, which is a break towards downside here, and the same target is actually pushed. Okay, so let me just come back again if there's any progress on the trade. Okay, okay, so I've got a break towards the downside, which is something that I expected, and I moved my stop towards the high of that strong red candle also, and HTF is also showing a good strength towards downside, so this is good. Okay, but the price action is kind of gappy and I'm not really comfortable with how it's going. uh, I'll just see how to manage this trade. Let me just come back in a few minutes again. Okay, so I've covered my position here at the lows, and that's because, like I said, I don't like how the price action was. It was gappy and bi-directional. Okay, so that is why I had to cover the trade that was comfortable for me. Anyways, apart from that, there is nothing much to talk about this trade, as I wanted to count my week towards something. So, yeah, uh, HTF is going to show some kind of move. Okay, and let me just come back if there's anything else. All right. Okay, I quickly wanted to update you guys. HTF, as you can see, did fall into my level, into my tentative targets, and it has found some kind of strength that has actually reversed the entire move towards the downside that was today. Okay, so that's something. As you can see, TTF has actually shown some kind of continuous buying here. Okay, so that's about it for the day. If there's anything else, I come back. I think I'm done for the day. Okay, so have a good weekend, everyone. Goodbye.